Have you ever wondered what happens to your Facebook account when you pass away? We leave a huge digital footprint on Facebook. Did you ever think about what will happen with your data when you pass away? Facebook is an important part of a human's life events. We announce the most important milestones on our timelines by sharing with our Facebook friends the joy of getting married, having babies, or moving abroad. But what will happen with all that data when we pass away? Discussing your digital legacy isn't pleasant, but it's an important part of our reality. Don't leave it up to your family members, friends, or even worse, Facebook itself. In this article, I'll guide you through all the options you have so you can make a conscientious decision about your data using the tools that Facebook offers to its users. My thanks to Julia Szymanska for her excellent article on this topic, which was the inspiration for this video. You'll find her article at the link listed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get involved. You need to decide what to do with your Facebook data. In short, you have two options: to delete your account or agree to memorialize your person within the social network. In case you decide on the second option, it's recommended to set up a legacy contact, which is a person who will take care of your account if something happens to you. Your first option is to delete your Facebook account. Deleting a Facebook account is the easier and more radical option. All your data, pictures, posts, comments, connections, messages, apps you have ever installed, simply everything, will be permanently removed. And here are the steps you take to set this option in your profile. From the top right of Facebook, click and select Settings. From the left menu, click Security. Click Legacy Contact. Click Have Your Account Permanently Deleted, and follow the on-screen instructions. This is, however, only an initial step to remove your account. If something happens to you, Facebook still needs to be notified. Your immediate family member needs to contact Facebook to inform the social media giant about the loss. There's a special request for deceased person's account where all the information, including a death certificate, needs to be sent. Only after that will Facebook permanently remove your profile. Your second option is to set up a Facebook legacy contact. A legacy contact is a trusted person, a friend, or a family member that will make sure your profile is memorialized and taken care of after your death. According to Facebook, the legacy contact will be able to, number one, write a post to display at the top of the memorialized timeline, for example, to announce a memorial service or share a special message. They can also respond to new friend requests from family members and friends who were not yet connected on Facebook. They can also update the profile picture and cover photo. They can archive your data only if you check this option in the settings. Photos and videos you upload, wall posts, profile and contact info, events, and friends list. The following data can't be downloaded: messages, ads you clicked, pokes, security and settings info, photos you automatically synced but didn't post. Advice on how to set up a Facebook legacy contact. Select the person first and talk about it in advance. You can always change your selection and choose another person, but it is always better to discuss this responsibility in person ahead. It is also important to educate your legacy contact what to do. And here's how to add a Facebook legacy contact. Click in the top right of Facebook and select Settings. In the left menu, click Security, then click on Legacy Contact. Type in a friend's name and click Add. To let your friend know they're now your legacy contact, click Send. Your friend will be notified with the following message: What to do if you're appointed as a Facebook legacy contact. Respecting your deceased friend or family member is a responsibility. The first thing you will have to do is request memorialization of their profile. To do that, follow the link listed. Once it is set up as a memorial, the profile will receive the remembering label just above the name, next to the deceased person's profile picture. Memorialized profiles don't appear in public spaces, such as in suggestions for people you may know, ads, or birthday reminders. As a legacy contact, you can manage a profile in a limited way. To do so, you have to go to the bottom right of the profile's cover photo and select Manage. Then it's possible to add a pinned post to announce to the circle of the friends what has happened, respond to new friends' requests, change the profile picture and cover photo. This may not be a pleasant topic, but the older we get, the more important it becomes to set this up. It also takes a burden off those that are left to carry on after we are gone. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.